Hi everyone, I am Akshay. Welcome to Dr. Rajkumar IAS KS Academy. As prelims is over, it is time to prepare for the mains irrespective of what could be the cutoff for the this year prelims. You have 90 days. These 90 days are very important to realize your dream of becoming an IAS officer. Remember, these 90 days will decide what could be the future of you. And if you look at the pattern of the examination, you have essay, GS1, 2, 3, 4, and optional, apart from language paper. Scoring in each paper is very important. If you look at it critically, essay is highly scoring. People have scored 175 plus in essay. By scoring really good marks in essay, you can definitely start the journey with better point of view. What does it mean by starting the journey? Because first paper will be in the mains is essay, right? After that, we'll be having GS1, 2, 3, 4. Looking at the last year pattern, GS1 to 3, yes, people are not able to score very high marks in GS1 to 3, but GS4 is very critical. Apart from this paper, optional is very important. You should be able to master optional in these 90 days. Optional will decide whether you will be in the list or not. If you look at marks of toppers, they have mainly scored very good marks in optionals and essay. Yes, GS 1, 2, 3, 4, you cannot neglect it. If you are able to score on an average 100 marks in GS 1, 2, 3, 4 and 270 plus in optional and 140 plus in essay, I am sure you are going to get interview call. And depending upon how you are going to perform in interview will decide whether you will be in the list or not. Now coming to the very important aspects of preparation. If you look at essay, there are two essays, right? You have to write on two important topics. Nowadays, most of the questions are from philosophical. You need not to worry about if question is on philosophical subject. You just need to be bring multiple dimensions according to the GS 1, 2, 3, 4 subjects and frame a proper essay with proper introduction, conclusion, and multidimensional body part. And please make sure that you have enough good content in essay. Another important aspect of essay is you should not divert from the main topics of the essay, because that is something very important, and many aspirants will fail to address that point. Coming to the GS1, there are again art and culture, modern history, post independence, world history, geography, and social issues. I think by now you must have gone through art and culture, modern history, and geography from Prince's point of view. That is something enough to write mains as well. No, I would request you to emphasize more on social issues, because this is something where you can get really good marks. And if you bring some important case studies, examples, facts, figures, social issues, you can expect around 70 to 8 questions. That will help you to get really good marks in GS1. After that, social issues, you can focus on geography. If you bring diagrams, some important points, core aspects, you can score good marks in geography as well. Coming to next part, modern history could be next important part, art and culture. Then you can emphasize upon post-independence and world history. Why world history and post-independence has given least importance? Because not many questions have been asked from world history till so far. By having knowledge about polity, economy, and other aspects, you'll be able to write good answer for the post-independence question as well. As a result, you'll be able to get really decent marks in GS1. Coming to next important aspect, GS2. By now, you must have covered polity and international relations. Now, please focus upon governance and social justice part. By bringing relevant examples and some important facts and figures with some kind of innovation through flowchart or diagram will help you to get really good marks in governance and social justice part. Please give importance to governance and social justice, no, then IR, then polity. By giving such kind of priorities, you'll be able to get really good marks in GS2 as well. Now coming to GS3, by now you must have thorough with the economy, agriculture, S&T and environment. Now I would request you to give importance to internal security, because every year you can expect 4 to 5 questions from internal security. Internal security, most of the questions are static. You are able to get really good marks in internal security, you'll be able to do well in GS3 as well. Next priority should be given to agriculture. Next priority could be economy. Next, environment and ecology. Next, disaster management. Last could be S&T. Again, these priorities can change depending upon your comforts with these subjects. Coming to GS4. GS4 is very important and crucial subject to get really good marks in mains. People have scored 160 plus in GS4. It consisting of theory part and case studies. And case study is one area where you can score good marks. But remember one thing, by the time you start writing for GS4, you must have completed essay, GS1, 2 and 3. You'll be completely exhausted. In that particular moment, you should start thinking like ethical person. That is something very challenging. And GS4, remember, you cannot write like GS1 to 3 answers. You have to bring more value system, ethical aspects, which is core of the public administration. Coming to next important aspect, optional. This is very important. You should be able to master optional in these 90 days. This will decide whether you will get a rank or not. Irrespective of what option you have chosen, please stick to that and read, revise and take multiple tests. This will help you to master optional in coming days. And very important, mains is all about cumulative effort of essay for GS paper and optional. For that, you should be able to plan properly for next 90 days. In this regard, Academy has prepared 90 days detailed planner. This planner will help you to cover each topic from each paper. This will not only build confidence, it will help you to practice and make notes comprehensively. Remember, mains is not about one day race. It's about 5-day race. You have to be consistent in those 5 days. As you all know, this year mains will start from September 20th. 20, 21 and 22nd will be having essay and GS papers. After that, there is a gap of 4 days. Then you will be having language paper. On last day, you are having optional paper. Those 5 days are very crucial to realize your dream of becoming an officer. So please do not ignore. In prelims, luck might favor you, but in case of mains, it's all about perseverance and hard work you put in these 90 days. It's not about getting interview call. It is about getting your name in that PDF. Do not even think about next year prelims or mains. If looking at the unpredictability of the prelims part, you cannot even imagine whether you are going to attempt next year prelims or mains. So do not worry too much about future. Just have everyday plan and try to achieve that plan. By doing so, you'll be able to utilize these 90 days productively. If you are able to utilize these 90 days productively, you can see that result in those 5 days. So this planner, please make use of this planner. Please attach this planner in your room and try to follow religiously, so that you'll be able to cover each topic comprehensively without any kind of negligence. If you start preparing after prelims result, You may be wasting around 10-15 days. By the time you'll be having only 70-75 days for the preparation, and it will lead to more anxiousness within you. That should not happen. You should be able to have calm and cool mindset. For that, you have to start early. Even if you are getting around 90 plus, please start preparing for the mains. Do not worry. We don't know what could be the exact cutoff for the prelims. So please, guys, please be serious. Please start preparing for the mains. These 90 days are very, very crucial. Do not waste single amount of time. Try to revise more. Try to take test more. In case of mains, it's not just about content. It's also about speed. It's also about presentation. It's also about structuring your answer as per the demand of the question, so that it will fetch you more marks. It's all things should come in sync with each other. Then only you'll be able to get really good marks. For that, you have to plan properly. You have to systematically achieve each day target with great concentration and focus. If you have any study group, please discuss this planner and try to achieve each day target. Like this, you'll be able to master mains in 90 days. And believe in the process. You should not lose hope till you complete optional paper 2. You should keep on trying your best so that you will be able to master answer writing in these 90 days. So do not worry, guys, and take these planners seriously. Along with the planner, we are having tests as well. There are around 10 important full length tests. Please try to attend these tests seriously within a time frame of 3 hours. It will build a lot of confidence. If you need any evaluation from our side, we are ready to help you. If you have any kind of doubts with regard to mains preparation, please reach to us. All the very best. We'll hope to see you as an officer in the coming days. Thank you.